Sean, this is a Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can hang the box on the concrete wall or block wall. So let's start. You want to measure the distance between these two boxes you already installed. So it's 3 and 5/8. So I measure already that, and I mark it on the wall. As you see here, this is my mark. So from here to there is 3/5. I want all the box be straight, so I put my label here, as you see. So I want to be level with this one. See, almost level. So, and I make a mark. You see that line? So I made the line here. So the line with the level under the box, as you see. So I'm gonna bring this all the way to the line, and on the side all the way to that line I had before. So I'm gonna make the mark. As you see, I already put two marks there. So I'm gonna make that anchors, as you see, for the wall. So this is the drill bit I have to use. I can use for the concrete and block. So if you want to know what size you have to use, so always do that. So get the drill and put in front of your anchors and just see if that one is the same size. So this one is almost same size, but anyway, always go from, if you don't know, always go from the like here is 532 inch. So I'm starting from 532 inch, go up if I need it. See, I made the hole, so but is not enough. I have to go one size bigger, so I have to make the hole bigger. So I'm gonna change the drill bit to the 316. I put 316, but it still is not big enough, so I'm gonna go one more size up. Okay, the other side is gonna be the 1/4. As you see, it was 1/4, so that should be good. Let's try it. So as you see, this side is good. So always, if you don't know what size drill bit is good for your anchor, so start trying from the smaller size to the bigger one. So I'm gonna make the other hole here and show you the rest. Okay, always, if you want to know how much deep you have to go, put your drill next to the your anchors and mark it, and you're gonna know how much deep you have to go to the wall. That's simple. There you go. I installed it and I tied it. So as you see, all of them in the same size, straight, with the same distance. Anyway, make sure subscribe my channel, so I will show you how you can fix the stuff around your home by yourself without paying anyone. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.